join me for a super quick video as I get my Bell & Ross WW1 military back into operation. It comes with this really nice calfskin, aged calfskin leather strap, but it was in a bad way when I bought this watch, and it was just getting to the point where I didn't wear it for fear of losing it. And the straps just were not available in the US, so I've been waiting for months for that one to come in. In the meantime, I did put a cheap leather strap on the watch so I could wear it, but I really was not liking it. As you can see, it's I didn't spend a lot on it since I didn't think I was going to be keeping it very long. Anyway, today this arrived, so I am hoping this is the new strap from Bell & Ross US. I had to do a special order for this. And what you get is the strap, which is not the same color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, bit of a shock opening the package. Quite a difference in shade, as you can see from the original straps that came with this watch to the new one that they've just sent. But had a chat with the people at Bell & Ross and had a look on the website, and yeah, it looks like this is the strap, the Shadow strap that is provided with the World War I military model these days. So that's the one I'm going for. As you can see, these are aged calfskin, and they are 210 bucks, and you don't even get the buckle, and you don't get the pins. So this buckle on its own is 150 bucks. So not the cheapest of watches to own. And start by getting off the this crappy strap. Like so. And we'll pop the pins in here. But then we also have to get the buckle swapped over too. Okay. So, the buckle. Gonna go like so. That is gonna go through the middle of that, hopefully. Think that is in. Yep. Same process on the pins. These are only 18mm lugs. There we go, finally. Oh, amazing. After all that. Okay, I'm gonna get this off again. Ouch. Okay. There we have it. Okay, I will put this on the wrong wrist for me, being a lefty, but it's easier to show it on camera on this wrist for sure. Yep, like the strap. Seems like these things never go quite as quickly as you expect them to, do they? But oh well, it made for for an interesting little bonus video, I suppose. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I am actually liking the new strap. Just a bit of a shock on opening the package, I guess. But this is what they are shipping with this watch these days. So there you go. Thank you for joining me for just this little bonus video. I'll see you again, hopefully at the weekend. We did hit our 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you all for supporting the channel. No idea how much it means to me. And as promised, this weekend I'll be doing a little giveaway to celebrate. So until the weekend, goodbye.